Hello everybody, welcome. How's everyone doing with all that stupid heat that we've had? It's been mad, ain't it? Absolutely hot as hell. Don't mind the heat, it's the humidity that kills me. Especially at night when you can't sleep. Oh my god. But it's a bit cooler today, ain't it? So we start getting a few things done. But I've been up Aldi's. I went up yesterday. There's absolutely nothing in there. They've closed all the shelves off due to the heat. No veg, a little bit of fruit, some apples and some oranges. No meat, no cheese, no bacon, no butter, no yogurts, no milk, nothing, all gone. So then I've got up this morning and I thought, well, what can I do? Got to get something to eat because I ain't even got nothing in the fridge. So I went to the freezer aisle and I got a few little bits because obviously there's nothing on the shelves, so people have bought the freezer stuff. So I've had to buy these. I've never had them and I didn't really want to have them really because you can make your own, but I bought them. I mean, they're a £5, well £4.99, so you can make your own a lot cheaper. But I thought there's nothing in and I weren't going shopping around everywhere because I don't know if all the other shops are the same. So I just thought I'd get them. I bought 2 of them, so that's a 10 of them two it cost me. Absolute rip-off. Well anyway, let's open it up. I've never had it before. It might be nice. And let's see. Right, so say £4.99 Chicken King Kebab. Piri piri. There's all the stuff. It says hot, doesn't it? Look, 3 peppers. But we all know what that means, don't we? And it takes ages to cook. Cook from frozen, best results. I've already had a look, which is what I'm going to do. Hour and 35 minutes. But there's all the stuff. So I suppose this will only be a quick one. But what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to stick them in some pitters. But I've got no salad because there ain't nothing up there. I've got no cheese to put on top of anything. So it'll just be some of them, maybe some chilli sauce or something. Some mayonnaise or something, I don't know. But let's open it up. What's the instructions say before I take that foil off actually? Get my glasses on. Remove film, place foil tray on a baking tray. Put it in the oven, that's doing now. Drain the excess juices from the foil before lifting the kebab out. So yeah, remove that then. It'll take a while. I didn't even know how big there was, you see, so that's why I bought 2. I don't know how filling they're going to be or what. I suppose that's quite a lot in it. I'm going to cook the 2 anyway, because I can always have some tomorrow if there's only salad back. It'd already be cooked then, wouldn't it? So, maybe a bit of salad or something. So I'm going to put them in the oven for around 35 minutes. And then we'll have a pit of bread with meat with no salad. Right, they've been in an hour and 35 minutes. I'm going to get them out. And have a look. Smell quite nice. So I've done 2. Might have one tomorrow if they ain't got nothing else from the shop. So I thought I'd cook them. There they are. Are they cooked? I don't know. We'll find out. Right, I'm going to drain the juices off like it says. Right, done the juices. That's not that hot to be honest with you, this tin. But they do look nice. Can you just pull them out, can you, or not? I don't know. Find out in a sec. Will it just fall off the thing? I don't want to break that up because I've got to go back in if I can help it. I've stuck a knife in the middle and they're running clear, so well, there it is. And they do look quite nice. Oh, it's falling off the thing, so that's a good sign. Oh yes. Yeah, cooked. Some crunchy bits as well. Right, so I'll leave that to cool down for a couple of minutes. I'll get some pita breads in. Right, I've done myself a pita, just opened it up. And just get a bit of this in. Shame I got no bloody salad, man. want some crunchy bit. I want a crunchy bit. There we go. There's the pita. Put that down. I'll put some sauce on that on it in a minute. I want to just taste the, mind you, I could put some sauce on it, couldn't I, and then taste the meat off there, couldn't I? I could do that. But I'm going to stick a bit of mayo on. Get it on. I've only got the jar one, I ain't got the squeezy. A bit of sriracha sauce on it. On this one. Oh, not even bloody open, look. Get it on. So there we go. See what it tastes like? Right, so what I've got to put a bit of meat on, and I've just got my kebab. I'll taste the meat first on its own. So I've never tried this, but I have made my own sort of things before. Mmm. Oh, that has got spice. Oh, yeah. I don't think any of the family will eat this now. It is a bit spicy, that is. Oh, wow, where's the box? Oh, it has got a kick. Yes, those 3 peppers. I weren't expecting that kick on there. I like that. Very tender and juicy as well. It falls off the bone. Now let's try one with the mayo and the chilli sauce. Mmm. Nice, but it's missing salad. Well, it is nice. Very nice. Now, $4.99 is worth the money. Now that's a tough one. That's very nice. Very nice. But you can buy joint of pork or something for the same price and do your own. Well, I say I bought 2. That's like a tenner. I didn't know how big they was, but they are quite big. Would I boil again? Yeah, I would. For a $5 you can get 4 out of that easy. And I would, yeah. I would definitely. £5, $4.99 Aldi. Yeah, I do like that. Mmm. Yeah, or as the box says, have it with some chips on its own, you know. But I thought I'd do it in a kebab. And it's quite enjoyable. There you go, and it's got a kick. If you're not into spice, I wouldn't buy it. Make your own. It has got a nice spice to it. Well, there you go, as I say, quick one. Sweating still, look at me. Dripping off me. Feel a bit low because of the sun and that. Been drinking loads, but never mind. As soon as I get things back in the shop, I'll start doing some recipes again. Until then, thanks for watching. Till the next time, bye bye.